and welcome to Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Today we will meet an American lobster. Lobsters are bottom-dwelling marine invertebrates that live in the cold, rocky waters of the coast of the Atlantic. They have a highly developed sense of taste and smell to help them find their food, which is fish, mollusks, and algae. Lobsters have two different claws. One claw is larger, called its crushing claw. The other is narrow and sharper, called its pincher claw. Depending on whether its crusher claw is on the left or the right side, determines whether the lobster is left or right-handed. If you want to help protect these animals, use the Seafood Watch app to learn more about what commercial seafood is more sustainable for human consumption while continuing best practices for maintaining healthy lobster populations. Thank you for watching Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Join us next week to meet another awesome animal.